Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy Case Study by skilled MBA NutriTec faces a critical ethical and strategic crisis, challenging its leadership and decision-making. The dilemma involves balancing corporate responsibility with business objectives. Key issues include maintaining stakeholder trust, ensuring ethical compliance, and navigating potential reputational damage. This case study explores strategic responses and leadership actions necessary to address these challenges effectively. This case study immerses you in a boardroom scenario, challenging your leadership and ethical decision-making skills. You'll navigate a strategic crisis, testing your business judgment and ethical reasoning. The focus is on high-stakes decisions that define leadership and business acumen. NutriTec, a leader in premium pet food, boasts over 7,500 crores in annual revenue, operating in 12 countries with a 25% market share. With a 35-year legacy, NutriTec is renowned for its strong brand and public commitments to ethical sourcing, which are now under scrutiny due to potential supply chain violations. A minor business unit within NutriTec is under scrutiny for potential ethical violations. Allegations suggest forced labor on Southeast Asian fishing vessels supplying our premium products. Although unverified, these claims are gaining traction among activists and media, raising public awareness and concern about our supply chain practices. In a routine board meeting, the Chief Procurement Officer reveals confidential non-governmental organization reports suggesting forced labor in Southeast Asian fishing vessels, supplying 8% of NutriTec's fish products. As the board deliberates verification, news breaks of activist-led protests outside the Mumbai manufacturing plant, intensifying the crisis. Protests swelled to over 200 outside the facility, drawing intense media scrutiny. The hashtag just boycott NutriTec trends, spreading allegations rapidly. News channels amplify the crisis, while employees voice concerns over potential human rights violations. Activist groups demand immediate transparency, intensifying pressure on the company. The board faces a critical decision: respond to serious, unconfirmed allegations that threaten brand reputation. Balancing speed with accuracy, transparency with liability, and business continuity with ethical accountability is crucial. The stakes are high, involving brand reputation, financial impact, legal liability, ethical integrity, and human lives. Each response option carries significant implications. The board faces 3 response options. A limited response involves a brief statement and internal investigation, maintaining normal operations. Moderate action suspends relationships with implicated suppliers and commits to transparency. Dramatic intervention halts all fish-based product lines, initiates a third-party audit, and includes a public apology. Analyzing stakeholder impacts, a limited response may cause minimal short-term effects for shareholders but growing consumer distrust. Moderate action could lead to share price volatility and mixed consumer reactions. Dramatic intervention might significantly impact finances but earn consumer respect. Employees face moral discomfort or disruption, while supply chain disruptions vary. Victims see continued exploitation or complete intervention. This simulation enhances skills in crisis management, ethical decision-making, and balancing stakeholder interests amid conflicts. It emphasizes supply chain governance and accountability, crucial for maintaining corporate integrity. Participants will also learn effective corporate communication strategies to navigate reputation threats, ensuring informed and responsible decision-making in complex business environments. Effective boardroom decision-making involves assessing the situation by analyzing information and identifying knowledge gaps. Develop a response strategy that balances speed, transparency, and due diligence. Draft clear communications for stakeholders, including media and employees. Outline governance changes to prevent future ethical supply chain issues. Ensuring robust structural improvements. Ethical risk mapping is crucial, even for minor business units, especially in regions with human rights challenges. Effective environmental, social, and governance demands clear accountability, ensuring ethical concerns reach the board swiftly. Modern boards need to enhance real-time leadership skills for rapid ethical decision-making amidst incomplete information and public scrutiny. Reputational risks can escalate from any business unit, regardless of size. Ethical responsibility in supply chains is non-delegable. Crisis preparation should incorporate ethical dilemma simulations. Social media accelerates the spread of ethical issues. Indian businesses are increasingly expected to demonstrate ethical leadership by stakeholders. Complete the simulation by applying strategic frameworks to craft a board response to the NutriTec crisis. Explore case extensions on regulatory impact, shareholder activism, and media management. Join peer discussions to compare approaches and learn from diverse perspectives. Review expert analysis to understand how seasoned board members and ethics specialists handle similar real-world situations. Thank you, and for further guidance on crisis leadership, reach out to Skilled MBA. Explore more strategic simulations with our case study series. Contact us at +91 87553 00795 or support skilledmba.com. Visit our website at https://skilledmba.com for additional resources. Thank you for watching.